This is Sean from Westmoreland, so we'll link you. Give them your number, the whole world.
Yeah, man, 517-8189.
So now this man is a man at the window.
Said you.
So if somebody has their house, how would they benefit from you? Every sliding, every design?
Every design will show them a variety of styles, and you know, I don't know, you have to measure up the window to know what size window and the style you want. You want one slide or two slide.
So you have a website or anything?
No, we have no website.
So them just link you?
Yeah, man, then just link you. You understand? And then get the windows done.
I'm not going to want my window them to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me I go on my window them. And me
So
I
you
go
know,
on doors and windows.
you have to link up.
Sliding doors, swing doors.
Sliding patio doors kind of thing.
Yeah, understand?
So where have you worked in Jamaica? What parishes?
We go as far as Portmore, go put in windows.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man.
you work different how?
When I say different windows,
How can we, what difference about your work or somebody else's work?
you know, some people just untidy. Well, let me tell you the honest truth too. You see, now the windows thing is not so much. It's not so much you can off with it because it's all measurements. So, like somebody can give you an improper job. The only thing some people not spend enough money. If the money around short or whatever, the client not have enough money, they might short on the caulking to seal the window. But building the window is not too much wrong you can make. You see? Then it's wrong you make obvious. You understand? And it's measurements and you just square it.
And you went to school for what?
Construction. You
Yeah.
understand?
So you've made a living in Jamaica, you're happy here, you would never go nowhere else?
No, I'm going to say that because the opportunity is doing.
Okay.
I don't know if you survive in a world, you need the energy there. You know that one? So anyway, the energy more beneficial.
And it's strength, you know, you get
You
the
understand?
strength.
Yeah. So I want to say I never go anywhere else. But if I can make my living comfortable enough in Jamaica, then I don't want to live nowhere else. I might go visit other places because I don't mind traveling.
Yes,
But
man.
I kind of love this whole thing what I can have right here.
So Westmoreland,
right where you meet me.
sometimes we hear about Zozo and the crime rate at Westmoreland. What set that off more time?
What set off the violence?
Yeah, because we know that sometimes the murder rate and thing around them sides are high, and is it the scammers?
You see, let me tell you, Jamaica get the real highlight right now with the violence thing, because Jamaica is not normally a just outright violence place, you know. So that's why you see it's such a big topic.
Yeah.
Because you know they must say get. That means there wasn't always like that. But so far over years, I only from different culture come through Jamaica, and you know, only for different influences. But all different levels. Let's look at the ground and the politician, and only for people they interact with now over the world, and some people, other people, culture influence Jamaica now because they've gone technological now. So everybody connected, so they must see things where they never really exposed to before, and they must get access to things where they can't go to build Jamaica.
No go no there.
So after other people, I bring that in.
Yeah, yeah.
I understand. More before you only hear say Jamaican probably chop up their one another. Now everything, no man really chop no man again. A gunshot now, and we not build guns. So what go on? We have the Chinese, them are coming now.
You've seen this shift? You've seen this shift?
Yeah, man, I see the shift. Now tell us that other people are influence Jamaica. Other people culture infiltrate Jamaica. You understand? Yeah. And if you notice, them are trying to take food culture and I try to put freedom culture for us.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's a whole thing. And I just like say Jamaicans was always violent. So people have to just go to the root of the problem and stop dealing with the symptoms of the problem. Violence and crime happens to be one of the symptoms. It's not the issue. So you have to solve other things before you can solve the crime and violence. So maybe first of all, the people them life a slave wages. And yet you should have culture upon them will take way more than slavery to survive. So how you survive? If you say we have to live this way, you understand? The things set away right now where you have to have a vehicle certain way. How you maintain insurance and things when almost 100,000 a year. You only have to make what? Minimum wage and say how much? I not remember. You understand? But it's nothing. $10,000 a week. You understand?
So you have two youth and you find sometimes things get rough.
Things ever rough, man, you ever in demand of cash. You understand? Because like me tell us, just the transport alone. You understand?
Gas and
Everything just add up. The bills, utilities. Remember me tell us, the liberty gone for the different levels.
Jamaica is like foreign now.
Yeah, but you know, make foreign wages. You understand? So how that go? You understand? And yet you can't fit in a society if you not live certain way, have certain values and certain material achievements. You understand? And you can't educate your youth them properly. How you going to do that for even if you make it 20,000, which is not even 200 US a week.
Nothing.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And your whole of your expenses them gone over that. If you say is a one. When I try, all them term the middle class and this and that and working class.
Yeah.
Jamaica not up on a working class level, certainly.
So if people want to
So that happens violence.
yes sir. Respect. If people want to do them windows abroad, when to them house down here, sir, I yield them for them.
Which is right. You understand?
Give them the number again.
876-517-8189. You understand? And we can contract other things because like the fellow say construction overall we go to school for, you see me?
And you have
And we have builders and all of them things.
you have a lot of reference.
Yeah, man, over there locally we do it thing, man. Communities, neighborhoods, you understand? We don't get to build the hotel them and anything. I'm not going to tell a lie. We probably can install some window in our hotel them, but we don't have the qualifications. So I know like some I push up myself like some so qualified to go build a hotel. But I will build a house around the town, you know, understand, around the place.
So now for the herbs, if the man them over the world want to link you for some good west, if you direct them, you can.
Right now we are seeing how we can get license to become legal farmers and producers. Because right now, as you know, they must say they want to legalize the herbs, but because they find ways to control it now. They not really give the local man the license to go farm. They have to go work for the man with the money to farm.
Same thing all over.
So all and the criteria and the qualifications that you have to get the license to go plant some herbs. To say you would produce some herbs.
You know the science of growing?
The science, them growing and growing, you know, man. Is there anything else we have grow? You understand? You take different cares and then you take different time, but growing and growing, if you're not blessed, you can't plant right now, come. You understand? Yeah. So I just saw the one that said, I just planted them and taking care. We come like a youth, them said, you just nurture them and bring them to the isn't it?
Now you growing up here with your family, 2 youth. How only 2 you have?
Yeah man, only 2 youth, man.
You got married the lady? She see you now, you're global, you know, my lad.
We done married already.
You married already?
Married already.
Where the ring there?
Alright, not trying to tell you now. You see, I try to say I have to put a ring now for married. Yeah, I'm trying to say different people come to that.
A different, so you know do them things there. What's your global?
Yeah,
what's your son name?
Kush.
Kush.
Yeah. Loud that fresh up by your phone.
So, where is the Kush? Kush. Hello.
Boss, you hear the man already.
Hello. What's your name?
Tell him now, look funny when I tell him.
What's your name? It's nice to meet you. Do you like, what's your favorite food? Kush. What's your favorite food? You like to eat, what do you like to eat?
What do you like?
What do you like to eat, chicken or fish?
Chicken and fish. Yes, I like it too, I don't know general. Yes, I have to like it.
Nice man.
Yeah, man, yeah.
So what is your dream for him?
I want to educate them right and make them can survive in this world. Because we know say it take a lot to survive right now. For us, much less for them in the future, you know? I don't know, say education is key, and knowledge is key, you see it? So then just love to make them, you see me? Well, you know, properly educated certainly. Not only mm to them book level, but overall with the scheme of things that we're going all over our world, the system and everything. So that they can know to maneuver and govern themselves through it, you see me?
What makes you strong? Where your foundation? Where you pull your spiritual strength? How did you grow spiritually to get a strength?
Forget a strength.
How did you evolve?
Well, you know, from where I grew, we know struggle still. Like you don't know history already. And all of our band will go to school now more. So I always know struggle. That keep me grounded certain way I know say. You understand? we use the things so that we don't have to week out to go run on material things. Because we see enough who have it already and knowledge good.
Yeah.
And them have the biggest of values, you see me?
So your reading and values
So,
is from a Garvey level or a Selassie level?
Garvey, I want my inspiration. Selassie, I want my inspiration. You see what I'm saying? Even Mandela up on a certain level. And his wife, Rita.
Yeah.
Just overall, we just gather it from all different things, man. I just life, you understand? So we're not going to say I only, because I never always know my creator. I have to grow up and know my creator. They make it seem like say I know something where you have to have from birth. You see what I say? And I just find him in a way and just kind of like understand the whole thing differently. Like say it's bigger than what you see. You understand?
You hold a humility that way there.
Yeah, you know say yo, this is nothing in comparison to what real things supposed to be. I just kind of like want illusion. Yeah, but I don't know.
Kush, where I say?
Be careful, my general.
Are you a biker, so you bring them?
Yeah, man, I made them roll.
So you know the levels.
Be careful now, pa. Yeah, so overall, I just the levels there. I'm reading and get to understand certain things. Because you have to read, you know. You understand? Yeah, you have to read to expand your level of, you see me? Wisdom, because you can experience, everybody experience kind of different, so you can learn from others to say this.
Well, I have about 2,000 books for you.
You have about 2,000 bucks to me?
Yeah. We bring 2,000 Africa.
For real?
Yeah. I'm going to bring 2,000 Jamaica.
Said we.
Digital. Yeah.
Said we.
So you see what I'm going to drop on you now?
Alright.
You understand the levels now?
Alright.
We're up on a move, you know.
Which is right.
So,
yeah, man, because the youth them gone one way right now, then kind of strain off our course. You see me? And we know say engineer said we, and I like them just get up and decide to stray, but them from even the educational level, the school level. Yeah. And the way the system set.
It's a challenge.
It's not conducive to our growing and our development. And so we for them system is just different. And I just regret why we say we can overcome in itself. But I don't really feel with things. We don't pump things in the people. We bring things out of people naturally. And that's a with educational system to bring out your, you see me? The innate talent the way you have.
And no for us.
I learn to develop it. And I just pump and just memory thing like how you see them deal with education. So true it no conducive for the youth them and it's a natural thing for them. Enough of them go wayward or tonight because they're not easily to train. That with black people we're not easily training them, man. I father guide with straight spiritual thing and feel with thing. You understand? And when you lose the connection there with the spirituality we should find to cut. With them will be a distraction. You see me?
That's where the chaos and
that's where the chaos and
imbalance
come from. Because you have to be imbalanced. From the imbalance you get chaos. You understand what I say to you, son? You are just the work I father. I have to bring back the and I just profit to say do it. I'm saying without make all of this happen, said you. You see me? From what we overstand said you. Because we're stiff necked. And you can see it in a way. We're stiff necked. As a people, you see me? Yeah, man.
Well, my people are enjoying things. This was a great experience to meet you. I finally make this my second real connection from the west. Narisa Roaring River is a good bridge and I'm meeting you. It's a different energy where the water, from the water side, we're not the inner side, we're not Manchester, so we're kind of inner land.
Yeah,
you see me? So we feel energy different. We meet the fish people in my Portland, them energy different. Roaring River around there, sir.
Yeah, man, it's a variety, man.
I mean, Rio Grande. You ever been over there, sir?
Over Portland side?
Yeah, Port Antonio.
Port Antonio? No.
Yes.
No.
So over there, so now, there's a different energy.
I've never been to the Rio Grande, no, but I've been through there, yeah? St. Thomas, Portland, all of them places.
Yeah, yes. So you just move through.
Yeah.
This is one of the
same thing where I go to meet people, you know?
Yeah, man. This is one of the better beaches publicly. So it's more like a public beach, yes?
Yeah, man. It's supposed to be. I try to take it over to say, but you know I think our values them see it as they don't really see fulfillment.
This is one of the best.
So they want to take it over where they want to dictate. You know, like my so they might get exclusive and rent it out to a promoter. So now upon that day you have to go, I think a boxing day, you have to go pay to come over here. You see me?
Well, you know, I find that Jamaicans, and I've said it before in my program, I'm talk it straight. I say Jamaican men are overly smoked.
Yeah.
We keep them kind of calm. Facts.
Yeah.
Overly sex, right?
Yeah.
Overly alcohol, more time, right? And overly mentally suppressed by the British system as far as doctrines and the information in the system. So it's like, in their mind, you can't ask a Jamaican man, give me 10 African king, them can't tell you.
Okay, then everything.
You see me? Most of them knowledge is just British based. And even the rest of them will say, with about Selassie, never actually go to the grave.
No.
So it's like they must say something, but them no act.
Well,
Because so now when you look on the warrior spirit what we used to have,
yeah.
so now if we over smoke now and we're just easy, when our cockpit country I go down, every man just easy. Because if you smoke 5 spliffs a day,
Yeah.
you don't really have no urgency for nothing.
You know,
What do you think about that?
Well, you say the herb smoking contact.
No say cause it, but think about Marcus Garvey.
Alright.
Him not smoke 5 a day.
No.
Him know say the pressure on, so him have to kind of alert.
Yeah.
So when you smoke all 5 a day, I'm not against it now, but you know,
Yeah.
but when you smoke and your energy just easy, there's no urgency.
Let me tell you this.
Talk to me.
Let me tell you this. You see herbs?
Mm-hmm.
The herbs not really cause that. If you don't already have the mentality there. Yes?
Okay.
It's not like you want to have a warrior mentality, a revolutionist mentality. You see me? And the herbs cause you to just become a carefree, careless person. You see me? I say, no. If you burn the herbs and you was already this type of person, just make your meds that more.
Okay, so amplify whoever you are.
Whatever you're interested in.
Got it.
You understand?
Got
So,
it.
obviously, them people that were just stay so induced with the marijuana smoke all day and just liquored up and them thing there. Them perhaps they are the same people that will just give up and decide to be led.
Okay, got it.
From day one.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say to you? If you had that mentality in the first place, it now going to change you, yeah, and make you become other than. You didn't have to have born with that. Enough people. Yes, baby? Come here. You want to go wash your hands? No? Come. I'm going to clean my hands.
Push.
So, look here, man. Let me tell you this. You see what you see I go on something well scientifically put together.
Design.
Straight up, no questions about it. You understand? This plan was in place years
What the making?
ago by those who then call themselves elites. You understand?
So the question is,
We're engineered.
Engineer.
Yeah.
So the question is, since a man engineers something and we now un-engineer because we individuals.
Well, that is the thing. The thing is that there are those who know why solution has to be them.
Yeah.
You understand? But you see, I don't know if it's naturally ordained. You see me? It just run its course. You understand? But
So let me ask you this, because as you said, design and engineer.
Yeah.
Even the amount of churches in Jamaica, part of the engineering system. Because think about
Bukati and them man, them tell a long time, and they can say those who them are chose to be the teachers was ones that them don't train. You understand? So from there when you know, say they must spread the doctrine there because the doctrine there is beneficial to them. Because it create that the type of man where you say careless and not care. Just feel like say without change on it.
Yeah.
You understand? That the doctrine they breed that.
How would we be able to cockpit punch it thing a go on?
Yeah.
And everybody look like them just think about it. You don't see 2,000 Jamaican gather or protest that.
Well, them not get the chance to just to go pre that. Them not have a chance. The Jamaican can't put on him cart when I hustle. Or him a set in their mind now. To come support that without a salary. Baby, we want water. I'm not raise up a bit. Let me raise with one day, yeah? I'm going this way.
Kush.
Then now you're going to the one.
I don't want to take up your time, you know, Kush. Or your time, you know.
You hear that? So tell the general, so we're raising with him look more and then we have to go.
Respect, love.
Now, without a salary, it's not set for the man can take up himself and go support, protest or whatever it might cost. Because what him a left or be neglected, and you know why it take to deal with that. Income. You see me, I said to yourself, it's not easy. Like one time where, and then again, they're not unified like that neither. So make me not go around that neither. The unification is like every man have to just busy attend to feed them thing, feed them detail.
That's what the world said.
If that drop and fall, a behind them gone right away.
Your mortgage, your rent,
everything.
your youth, that's your focus.
That's your focus.
You're not focused on country, you're focused on you.
Upon you because you have to, the way things set right now, because you can't neglect your youth when you come. And something out there to make sure say, alright, then you can at least eat. You hear me?
Yeah.
So I just that is set right now. And it's set that way there where we now go can attend to certain things. We're busy, I can try to keep up. Unless every man, you tell me this now, is this possible? For 1 year, every man just decides to yo, they might come off of the grid. I now go out there and work. I go look for a piece of paper and farm and become self-sufficient. I come off of the electricity and go back to some natural oil thing right now or whatever. And bring down the system. And that it I go take. You understand? Without the uprising, the revolutionary business we check. Fidel, they go on with Cuba. Alright now. Tell the truth, in a position to do that right now, you looking with your own eyes. You're in a position as a people to do that right now and say, yo, we're rise against the government right now and make you know, so we're serious. We might take your country and give foreigners and I sell out the land them and I sell out the Capric country them and I sell out everything they want to sell and stuff for them bank account. You see me I deal with overseas and set for them life and their family and that's all they care about and then I'm gone.
So the forces that control are too powerful, more powerful than we?
Well, at the end of the day right now, with the youth, they set it where the youth that might not even there to even can run. The way how much youth they do can't run right now. They drop down.
Just I know.
Yeah, well, they don't have no revolutionary fighting at them right now, my lad. Their mind frame gone past something else.
Yeah. You know, the long term is your two youth then.
Well, that.
And the short term sometimes are them hungry. What the ancestors in the past had to do, they got to weigh the short term against the long term. You see me? So Jamaica is at a turning point now where the long term detrimental to the youth them and the short term benefit to them liberty. No. So if we as men start look on the long term, your sons and them, you see me?
Yeah.
So what we have to give up right now on weekends, for example.
Yeah.
Every man work 9 to 5, 5 days a week. So what we have to do on Saturday and Sunday if we can't come together on Saturday and Sunday? We not lose no work time.
On Saturday and Sunday you have to try to catch up with everything else in the yard and you catch up with the youth because all week you're there away from them. Youth, let me tell you this, I don't show you a solution. Only one way if you are going to get the whole population of Jamaica, especially working class, to get up and say, listen, you now turn up and crack the system. Now me and you know say that now goes happen right. Now go happen.
But Saturday and Sunday are 2 days.
Saturday and Sunday.
So we can't get $1 million on Saturday and Sunday together.
Where you used to make them gather? If not try to tell us say they spend 5 days out of a week, if not 6. Because you talk about that at 2 days Saturday and Sunday. 1 day sometimes the work how it are running in Jamaica right now 6 days a week I work week and 5. Only for some people are 5 days. I mean I know that. So I tell us you know if they go take Sunday when they have to do look at washing now. I even call my daughter here 1 time for the week. And the 1 year style I have to work with her.
But you know it's funny. When we were under the physical chains and oppression, when we did actually have the chains from our foot, we didn't have no choice, you know. But because we think, let me tell you right now, if we will still have the chain from our foot Saturday and Sunday, so yo, we have to get rid of that chain, you know. But you see the perception, no chain, no there. So you think you're free. So now, if you physically have a chain right now on your foot Saturday and Sunday, you say, you know, so
I have to try to do something.
so this is what I'm show you, sir. The way them set the thing.
Yeah, there are different kind of chain down right now. You can right
So
now.
the man them create an invisible chain, and you say, you know what, I'm good now, you know.
The disillusion, I tell you, the illusion where we are living.
Yeah. The invisibility of the system, more wicked than the visible aspect of the system.
Move it chain off my foot.
Yes.
On the brain.
Yes. So now here I'm bring 2,000 books to Jamaica, I'm move around and I give it out. And certain information because you say the Jamaican male is not yet evolved mentally to the ancient Kemetic level.
Nowhere near, man.
Nowhere near. No, look on this. If your ancestor, your father, have a language where you can't read up till now, that means that you perform on a basic school level as a man. So we Jamaican men are actually performing on a psychological, mental, even spiritual, basic school level. We've never been back to Africa. We can't read the hieroglyphs. That means that where we are talking about, we not even graduate with self.
But look here. There's black people out there who can read it.
Yeah, man, no.
Understand? And at the same disparity in the other culture, them too, even Caucasian culture. How much of them can read hieroglyphs?
Of course, I'm not
And
supposed
the elites are only those who get to go for the education.
to deal with it.
You understand? If you can learn them things and spend the time to learn it, I might try to tell us it's not like say in my brain any more lazier than the man that will learn.
True, access.
But the access and the time, me not get. Because my time I have to spend, I survive.
So now here what we have to do for
understand,
Jamaican. The reason why I bring the books them and the information for raise the every Jamaican man when we meet them and give them information to elevate the consciousness. Because at that, you know, we're upon a sleeping consciousness, a kind of barrier there over way.
Yeah.
The books and the things that we need from our ancestors, we don't have it. And if you don't have something, you can't grow if you don't have a son. You can't go to the next level.
I can tell you one of my problems right now.
Yeah.
One of my problems as I get certain responsibility in my life, I find the time to read.
Read.
As much as
The
I
time.
The time to read as much as I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if you understand on that.
Yeah.
I try to show it now realistically what it is. I don't like my brain any more lazy that I have to learn.
Definitely.
Or me have any less love for freedom.
They make survival so hard. What Bob Marley said, they make it so hard that you can't even sit down and spend time. What's your daughter's name?
I wouldn't call her, but you know, Shania.
Shania, it's a pleasure. My name is Randy Pottinger. It's a pleasure to meet you. Your father is giving me some good information. All right? You look beautiful. So I'll leave them here. All right, I'm going to leave you, Faye.
Yeah.
I can't take up.
Yeah.
I can't make it take up too much more of your time. You know.
Alright,
But give me the number again.
517-8189, area code 876, you know that.
Window, this is the man in Jamaica if you need to do your windows.
Yeah, man.
Jamaicans, link him up. And give me the name again.
Yeah, man, Sean.
Sean, I'm Randy Pottinger. You're going to see this, you're going to say you're Randy. It's God.
Alright,
Love.
alright. Yeah, man.
Respect,
Bless you,
yes.
Jamaica life.
Jamaica, good life.